In this video, you'll learn how to write data structures using Claude Code. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from selecting a data structure to documenting your work effectively. Begin by choosing a data structure to focus on, like why you can select from basic options like array, linked list, stack, or queue. If you're ready for something more challenging, consider intermediate structures such as hash table, binary tree, or heap. For advanced practice, look into graph, trie, or segment tree. It is advisable to start with appearing coding problems to build a solid foundation. Next, navigate to the Claude Code interface. This is where you will start a new coding session. Ensure that you are logged in and ready to create a new project or session. Once in the interface, look for an option that allows you to begin coding, typically labeled as new session or start coding. Click on this to proceed. Now you need to ask Claude Code to explain the selected data structure. You can use a prompt like explain. Additionally, request how to implement it in Python, including basic operations such as insert, delete, and search. For instance, you could say, explain stack data structure in Python. Include push, pop, peek operations with example input/output. After submitting your request, wait for Claude Code to generate a response detailing the explanation, Python implementation, and example usage. Once you receive the generated code, copy it to your clipboard. You will then run this code in your local integrated development environment or an online compiler of your choice. Take time to modify the code and test it with various inputs, including edge cases. For example, if you implemented a stack, you might want to check how it behaves when popping from an empty stack or pushing a large number of items. To further enhance your skills, you can practice common operations. Ask Claude Code to generate practice prompts by saying, give me 5 practice exercises to implement and use. Ensure that the exercises include input/output examples and expected results. Try to solve these exercises on your own first. If you encounter difficulties, consider requesting step-by-step hints rather than the complete solution. As you become comfortable with basic operations, you can explore advanced variations. You might ask Claude Code to implement a data structure with advanced features, such as implement a doubly linked list with advanced features. Be sure to also inquire about performance, time, and space complexity. This knowledge will deepen your understanding and prepare you for more complex coding challenges. Finally, document your work effectively. Save each Claude Code session in a personal data structures library. This library should include the explanation, code snippets, examples, and insights on time and space complexity. Such documentation will be invaluable for interview preparation or reference during coding contests. Additionally, Claude Code can help visualize data structures. You can request a diagram showing the operations on a specific data structure after performing certain actions, which will aid in understanding its internal behavior. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.